大家好啊，各位 Dharma Brothers and Sisters。之前呢，我哋講過四無量心 The Four Immeasurables。你記唔記得邊四個無量心呢？就係慈悲喜捨 Loving Kindness、Compassion、Sympathetic Joy 同埋 Equanimity 啦。喺我哋呢做前行嘅時候呢，我哋用四無量心，實質呢係有四句去代表呢一個慈悲喜捨嘅喎。係點樣做法嘅呢？ May all beings have happiness and the cause of happiness。願一切有情具樂及樂因。May all beings be free from suffering and the cause of suffering。願一切有情離苦及苦因。May all beings never be separate from joy that knows no sorrow。願一切有情不離無苦之妙樂。May all beings abide in equanimity, free from attachment and hatred。願一切有情遠離親疏愛憎，常住大平等捨。就係咁㗎喇，下次再見，拜拜。